Hello and welcome to TaskFord. Today, we will learn how to use Schedule View to plan work, balance workloads, and assign tasks across your team. Schedule View gives you a clear picture of who is working on what, when they work, and how much work is assigned to each member. Let's get started.
First, select the Scheduler tab in your board view. Here, tasks are organized by team members and displayed on a timeline, making it easy to understand both workload and schedule at a glance. Let's say you have a task that hasn't been scheduled yet. Open the Tasks panel on the right side and search for the task you want. Then simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. TaskFord will automatically assign the selected team member and schedule the task based on where you place it. If you want to move work between team members, just drag a task vertically to another person's row. The task will be reassigned instantly, helping you balance workload across the team. As plans change, updating your schedule is simple. Drag a task left or right to change when the work takes place. Resize the task card to adjust the estimated effort or workload allocation. This allows you to quickly adapt when priorities shift. You can also create new work without leaving Schedule View. Simply drag across an empty space on the timeline. TaskFord will automatically create a new task and pre-fill the assignee, scheduled date, and duration based on your selection. It's one of the fastest ways to plan work for your team. As your board grows, finding work quickly becomes important. Use the search box to locate specific tasks or use filters to focus on the work that matters most. This helps you stay organized, even when managing large projects. From the Customize panel, you can rename the view, turn compact mode on or off, set it as your default view, or copy the view link to share it with your team. You can also customize Schedule View to fit your planning style. Choose between different timeline scales like week or month and jump back to today whenever you need to refocus.
By combining resource planning, scheduling, and workload management in a single view, Schedule View helps you keep your team organized and your projects moving forward. And that's how you work with Schedule View in TaskFord. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next TaskFord tutorial.